Hi everyone, I'm Heidi Green, author of the blog Living a Blissful Life here on HealthyPlace, and I'm going to be talking to you today about self-compassion, what self-compassion is and why it can be so helpful and important to build a self-compassion practice. So first of all, what is self-compassion? Well, basically the concept is pretty simple, and it's the idea that it can be helpful to talk to yourself in the same kind of way that you would talk to a person who you love when they are struggling. So when you are struggling, using that same empathy and kindness and gentleness that you would use when you're trying to encourage or uplift somebody who you care about. Think about it. If you're struggling with something and you go and you meet up with a friend for coffee, how do they talk to you? Well, they try and normalize your experience. Hey, everybody struggles with things like this. Yeah, it's totally normal to feel this way, and it's okay that you're having a hard time. They say things that make you feel better so that when you leave that conversation, you're actually on the road towards healing or recovering, and you can have that same impact on yourself if you just talk to yourself with that same kind of gentle, understanding, non-critical, non-judgmental voice that you would use with another person or that you would hope another person would use with you. So practicing self-compassion can actually help you heal faster. It helps you recover from your painful experiences or move through a difficult time in your life quicker and easier. And it normalizes the pain that we all go through by really reinforcing that we are part of a larger common humanity where everybody struggles, everybody suffers, everybody hurts sometimes, and you're no different. And what I really like about self-compassion is that when you practice being kind and gentle and empathic on yourself when you're struggling, it actually encourages you to use that same kind of non-critical, loving, non-judgmental voice with yourself all the time. So it can encourage an inner dialogue that is positive, that is uplifting and encouraging and kind. And obviously having that kind of a positive outlook and positive inner dialogue on a daily basis is definitely going to lead to living a happier, more blissful life. So if you're interested in learning more about self-compassion, you can check out my blog and let me know how it goes as you practice being more self-compassionate when you are struggling. Thanks, guys.